Hi everyone. So in this first video, we're just going to be reviewing the assignments that we have for this week. So if you go into the folder September 20th through the 24th, you will see a schedule up there. And again, like I said, I lay these out the same way every week. Schedule of what it is that we actually need to do. You'll see a folder of the readings. That's where you will find examples of MLA formatted essays, as well as a copy of the neighborhood writing project assignment. You'll find the MLA videos as well as this video. You found this folder. You found this video. This video will be in there as well, along with the videos explaining MLA format. And then down here under assignments is where you'll find the links to submit the first 200 words of the neighborhood writing project, as well as the link to submit the full 750 word assignment. So that's where you find everything there. So in the readings folder, just to show you, it's got the first page format, right? So it'll show you what that is. And in the next video, I'll explain what that is. You've got a sample MLA formatted essay, so you can look at that and see what you're supposed to do, what yours should look like. And then you've got the assignment for the neighborhood writing project number 1. Under assignments, you've got again, I gave you another copy of the neighborhood writing project number 1. It's the exact same thing. I just put it in both places. This is where you're going to turn in your first 200 words. That's going to be due on Monday by class time. And down here, you can see it says item is hidden from students. You guys can't see this. This is where you'll submit the full 750 word project by the end of the week. So that's there as well. The schedule, I probably should have done the schedule first, but you can see what we have here. So the schedule for the 20th through the 24th, you're supposed to watch the assignments for this week video, so you need to do that. You're doing that now. You need to begin reading Muchness. You don't have to complete it, but at least read the first few pages. We'll be ready to talk about it a little bit on Monday, and then by Monday you need to complete the first 200 words of the neighborhood observation writing project number 1. So I explained that assignment in class on Monday. The previous Monday, that was Monday the 13th. If you are not in class on Monday the 13th, or if you don't remember exactly what you're supposed to do about that, look back in the folder from last week. There is a video in there where I go through and I explain that assignment again. So if you're not clear about what this neighborhood observation project is, go back to look at that video. And then if you still have questions, as always, contact me and I'll explain it to you, okay? But you just need the first 200 words by Monday. I want those by Monday so that we can talk about how they're going. That's what I'm going to spend time in class on Monday doing, is talking about what direction this is moving in. And then you will have the rest of the week to complete the full 750 word assignment. So by the end of the week, you need to watch the MLA formatting videos, because you want this assignment. This assignment is going to need to be in MLA format. You need to complete the MLA formatting quiz. So there's a quiz in there that you'll need to submit. I didn't show you on this, but there's a quiz that you'll need to submit that's in the folder there. The quiz is basically formatting the first part of an essay as it should be formatted. And then you need to complete the full 750 words of the neighborhood observation writing project, right? So that whole thing needs to be there, and then you need to finish reading Muchness. Make sure you do all that. Realize that I say here you have to wait till after I grade your MLA formatting quiz to submit your full neighborhood observation writing project. You have to make sure that that quiz is finished. And again, the quiz is just a matter of, I'm going to give you an essay, a format of an essay, and I want you to restructure it so that it follows MLA format. But I'll explain all of that in the MLA formatting video. So that's all the assignments that we have for the week. Again, just for Monday, you need to watch this video, begin reading Muchness, do the first 200 words of the neighborhood observation project, the first 200 words. We'll be back in class Monday, so that if you have questions about any of these, I can go ahead and answer those on Monday. So now you're ready to begin watching the MLA formatting videos.